Hello, it's time for another day of pips. Let's see how this one goes today. I thought yesterday was pretty tough. Let's see if today follows in that. Okay, well here we need a 6. There's only one way to put that in, so put the 5, 6 there. We need equals, which could be 2 4s, or it could be a single 2 4s or 2 different 4 dominoes. Oh, but we need equals here. No, yeah, the equals will be the 3 4s, sorry, because this has 3 of them. And then that'll go there, and then the equals are the 2 1s. There we go. Okay, that was pretty straightforward once I realized. So let's try another difficulty level. We'll move on to medium. Let's start solving. Okay, so we need 16. So that looks like it might be 4 4s. That would be my guess. Don't actually think there's another way to do that because 4 is the highest number we have. So that means we need a 4 and a 1 up here, a 4 and then a greater than 2, not less than 2. I think I might have mixed that up yesterday. So 4 and 3 can go in. And then we'll need a 4 and a 0 down here, which leaves only a 4 and a 2 there. The 0 will need another 0. The equals will need 2 2s. And then one of those 2s will go into the 0. The other will go here. And the last 0 will go here. And there we go. All right. Let's try hard. Let's start solving this one. Right, doesn't look as bonkers as yesterday. Look at that, we've got, oh. Why was there 1 already in there? That seems like it was in the wrong position. That was weird. What? What was that? It was like, I don't even know how to get it. I don't even know if you can get it there. That was bizarre. Anyway, okay, so we need 2 zeros down in the southeast corner, but we don't have 2 zeros, which means we're going to need to use halves here. And then we have equals, which looks like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7, which I think will be the 6 pips. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do have 7s of those. So I think we need a 0 and a 6 to go in here. And then a total of 2 will be, is that right? Maybe yeah, I think that does have to be the case because we don't have 2 zeros. So I think that needs to go there. So what goes in the 2s? We need a 1 and a 6 and a 1 and a 0, which will go in the less than 2, not greater than 2. Once again, make sure to read that correctly, which I think I didn't yesterday. So the 10 could be 2 5s, I think. And then 2 6s, 2 more 6s go in the equals. We need less than 3 up here with a 6. Do we have, yeah, we have a 2 and a 6. Don't forget we need an equals down here, which looks like it'll be 3s. So I think the 3s can just point in whatever direction because they're irrelevant. Oh no, I've done something wrong. That's wrong. Because we still need to get our 6s in here. Maybe the 10. We need another 0. The 0 has to be this, right? That's the only possibility. This does need to be. Could it be 6 and 4? Do we have enough 6s left if we do that? No, I don't think we do. Okay, I must have done something wrong. So the equals, oh, could be 4. Oh, no, it could be 2 4s. So 4 goes there. Sorry, this is how it goes. The equals are 2 4s, so they're the 2 4s. We get 1 more 6, and this will be complete. There we go. Oh, 41 minutes. Oh, I think this puzzle sort of I think this tab automatically refreshes overnight, which makes me think I need to remember to back out. So I think what happened was when I started solving the New York Times crossword, when I turned on my computer, not turned on, when I awoke my computer and started solving the New York Times puzzle, this must have refreshed in the background because that would have been pretty much exactly 41 minutes ago, I think, that I actually have a timer I can find out, yeah, about that. So, right, I'll need to absolutely make sure that I back out to here so that it doesn't do that in the background and trip my timer again tomorrow. That's funny. I wish I knew how long it actually took me, but you'll know because you just watched me do it. Anyway, there we go. Silly conclusion to this video. Those were the pips. I'll probably be back with this again tomorrow. Join me then. Bye for now.